magnesium oxide is added to alginate powder to modify which property? The options are increased surface character, increased shelf life, increased shear and tear strength, and improved strength. So if you look at the options here, the last two options are quite similar regarding the strength of the material. The first option is about surface character and second about shelf life. We are talking about magnesium oxide. Now, if you open any standard textbook for dental materials, you will not find magnesium oxide as a composition of alginate powder. This is the basic composition of alginate powder in as much detail as I can encompass, but magnesium oxide is not an ingredient here. So we will talk about that later. First, let's talk about the other components which are important from an exam perspective. So primary ingredient is potassium or sodium alginate. Calcium sulfate is the one that reacts, so it's the reactor and forms calcium alginate. Sodium phosphate is going to act as a retarder. So this is an important question. Diatomaceous earth, which is the major composition for the flexibility of the impression material. Potassium sulfate and potassium zinc fluoride for inhibiting effect of alginate, and it helps in the setting reaction of the gypsum. Organic glycol, this is important for dustless alginate. Okay, this is an important component of dustless alginate. I think this question has come before in exam. And of course, there is pigmentation and quaternary ammonium compounds, etc., etc. And there is the self-disinfecting material too, that is the quaternary ammonium compound. Now, coming to the core of the question, magnesium oxide. So, there are a couple of articles that talk about reinforced alginate with the help of magnesium oxide. And these alginate products are basically used as scaffolds in a regenerative dentistry, not as impression materials. Okay, so alginate is also used as a medium for introducing some kind of regenerative materials like stem cells or growth factors, etc. So magnesium oxide nanoparticles are useful in that kind of an environment. So if you look at this article, this is just one of the many articles that I came across. It says that in magnesium oxide reinforced alginate, there is highest tensile strength and elastic modulus while preserving the interfiber porosity of the scaffold. Okay, so magnesium oxide reinforced alginate exhibits improved thermal stability, and it can be used for a lot of other options. Okay, so we are talking here mainly about the strength of the alginate, the elastic modulus, and the interfiber porosity. So coming to the question, the correct answer should be related to either tensile strength or regarding the elastic modulus and the flexibility, or regarding the surface, that is interfiber porosity, so surface characteristics. So it says improve strength and increases shear and tear strength. Tear strength is not appropriate. Improve strength could be. Increases shelf life is not the correct answer. So that leaves us with increased surface character and improved strength. So let's look at the explanation again. Magnesium oxide scaffolds yield highest tensile strength and elastic modulus and preserve the interfiber porosity of the scaffold. So the correct answer should be option D, improve strength.